Hey guys, welcome back to my tech experience. So today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy M series. The M stands for Millennium. Samsung just allegedly is going to be launching these devices on the 26th of January. Samsung's way of experimenting the V-notch. Okay, so we're going to be expecting the M10 and the M20. M10 is going to have 2 GB.
Just want to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
The M10 is going to have 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, and it's going to be priced about 48,000 naira, which is very, very cheap. But the main feature of these devices are the V-notch. So the M20 is going to have 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB ROM, and a 5,000 mAh battery, which is cool for a budget smartphone. So we're going to move on to the other features of these devices. The M10 is going to have a 12 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel camera, that's the rear, and a 24 megapixel selfie camera, which is also dope for these budget devices. The M20 is going to have M20 is also going to have a dual camera, which will have 24 megapixel and a 12 megapixel camera and a selfie camera of 16 megapixels. Samsung is experimenting these devices in India just so the average person can get an Android device of their own, also a Samsung. So in time guys, we're going to be having these devices on our channel, unboxing, reviews, all with your help. Just click the subscribe button, like and share this video.
In the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.